there! Today, I have something truly exciting to unbox and share with you all. It's the Pro Max 15, the new release model of Apple that promises to take your content creation to the next level. Join me as we dive into this sleek and powerful device. Now, let's talk about the display. The Pro Max 15 boasts a stunning 6.7-inch OLED display with vibrant colors and sharp details. Whether you're shooting videos or editing content on the go, this display is a treat for the eyes. It's perfect for vloggers who want their visuals to pop. The Pro Max 15 also comes with advanced video features that vloggers will absolutely love. It supports 4K video recording at various frame rates, allowing you to capture your content in stunning detail. Additionally, it offers features like image stabilization, slow motion recording, and professional-grade editing tools, giving you full creative control over your vlogs. Under the hood, the Pro Max 15 packs a powerful processor and ample RAM, ensuring smooth performance even when multitasking or editing high-resolution videos. This device can handle anything you throw at it, making it a reliable companion for vlogging on the go. When it comes to battery life, the Pro Max 15 doesn't disappoint. With its large battery capacity, you can vlog all day without worrying about running out of power. Additionally, it offers ample storage space to store your footage, ensuring that you never miss a moment. Now, let's talk about the camera capabilities of the Pro Max 15. It features a triple lens setup, including a wide-angle lens, a telephoto lens, and an ultra-wide lens. This combination allows you to capture stunning shots with great depth and versatility. Whether you're vlogging in low-light conditions or capturing wide landscapes, this device has got you covered. And there you have it, the Pro Max 15, the ultimate vlogging tool. From its sleek design to its powerful performance and advanced camera capabilities, this device is a game changer for content creators. Follow me for more.